Welcome to Eloy Modern Home. In this video, we present the best red dining room. Ideas to inspire your next bold and beautiful home transformation. Red is a powerful, warm, and passionate color that brings energy, elegance, and a sense of drama to any space, especially the dining room, where families gather, guests are entertained, and memories are made. Whether you're drawn to deep crimson tones, rich burgundy accents, or brighter cherry reds, this video offers a variety of stunning design. Ideas to help you embrace the richness of red in your dining space. From classic styles to modern minimalism, these red dining room inspirations showcase the perfect balance between vibrant color and sophisticated design. We'll explore how to use red on walls, furniture, decor pieces, and even in lighting to create a dining space that feels warm, inviting, and stylish. Discover how red dining chairs or table linens can add flair without overwhelming the room, or how an accent wall can be a bold focal point that transforms the entire mood. We also highlight combinations with neutrals, golds, blacks, and wood tones that complement red beautifully and elevate the overall ambience. This video is filled with creative ideas suitable for all types of homes, from apartments to luxury residences. Whether you prefer a cozy rustic vibe, glamorous luxury, or a sleek contemporary look, you'll find design tips that fit your taste. Red dining rooms can evoke romance, celebration, or even a vintage charm, depending on the styling elements used. We also touch on the use of textures, lighting fixtures, art pieces, and centerpiece arrangements that enhance the red aesthetic and bring depth to the space. At Eloy Modern Home, we believe that great design tells a story, and red is the color that speaks volumes. Let these beautiful red dining room ideas spark your imagination and help you design a space that's not only functional, but also full of personality and charm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring home design content. Join us on this visual journey and transform your dining room into a stunning centerpiece of your home using the passion and elegance of red.